Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're featuring the best graduation cap decor you can get your hands on. The Canlierr 32 PC's DIY Graduation Cap Decorations Accessory Kit in white tone. If you're about to walk that stage and want your cap to reflect your style, your story, and your sparkle, then this kit is your new best friend. Let's dive in and unbox this gem. Right off the bat, you'll notice the elegant and cohesive white tone that ties this entire set together. Inside the kit, you get 32 pieces, 20 delicate white faux flower heads and 12 stunning silver 3D butterflies. These aren't just your run-of-the-mill paper pieces. We're talking premium plastic flowers and beautifully crafted metallic finish butterflies that shimmer as you move. They're durable, fade-resistant, and built to last through your ceremony and long after, whether you're saving your cap as a keepsake or putting it on display. One of the best things about this Canlierr kit is the room it gives you for creativity. You don't need to be a DIY expert to create something gorgeous. Arrange the flowers in a blooming pattern around the top, let the butterflies flutter across your cap, or maybe even create a trail leading to your tassel. You're only limited by your imagination. Whether you go minimalist and elegant or full-blown whimsical, this kit adapts to your vision. This kit is also a great way to express who you are. Graduation is a celebration of your unique journey, and decorating your cap makes that moment even more special. With this Canlierr kit, you can stand out in the crowd and make your walk across the stage unforgettable. Every detail, from the softness of the flowers to the reflective glint of the butterflies, adds depth, texture, and a lot of personality. And it doesn't stop at graduation. After the big day, these decorations can be repurposed for creative projects. Use them to embellish gift boxes, picture frames, wreaths, or even party decor. The faux florals and butterflies bring a soft charm that fits right into your next DIY adventure. To wrap it up, if you're looking for something that is high quality, versatile, and makes a statement on your special day, the Canlierr 32 PC's DIY Graduation Cap Decorations Accessory Kit is absolutely worth it. It's more than just decorations, it's a memory in the making. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for more hands-on reviews just like this one. Congratulations to all the grads out there. Go out and shine with style.